Okay, so I got all that hooked up. Now I hit the key. There you go. She's not very happy. She's not very happy because I've been spraying crap down the carburetor and plugging everything up, and you know, it's got all that freaking fuel and brake cleaner and all that other crap down in the engine, so probably need to start up and let it run for a little bit. But there you go, you can see it's fixed. So if you ever have a TBI system and you got fuel pump, you got a good ECU, you got spark, you got fuel pressure, but you can't get your injectors to fire, you might want to check your fuse box, because if mine burn up, yours can too. And I don't know why. Like I said, I've been doing this since I was 15 years old and I'm almost 60. And I don't know why this happened. I have no clue, but I'm glad I found it, and hopefully this video is going to help somebody. You know, I got more videos coming. I'm going to go to No Name Nationals next week, or next weekend, and do some video in there, take a couple cars I got down there. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hope this helps somebody. I know it would have helped me if I'd have seen it. So there's a lot of false information out there, and a lot of people saying do this, do that, replace this, replace that. Well, the problem is, if you do what I did, which is throw parts at it until you find the problem, until you find the part that's defective, well, sometimes you can throw all the parts out you want and it's not a part that's defective, it's something else that's defective, and I've proven that. So my $400 loss is hopefully someone else's gain. Hopefully you guys can use this and it'll make your lives easier, and I appreciate you watching my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Alright you guys, that's it. Thanks. Take care. Hopefully this helps somebody. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you found. Talk to you later. Bye.